हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंग्लिश शॉर्टहैंड क्लासेस। ये डिक्टेशन बिगिनर्स के लिए है। धीरे धीरे आपकी स्पीड महीने 2 महीने में इंक्रीज हो जाएगी। 80 तक आराम से लिखने लग जाओगे आप। बस कंटिन्यूटी बना के रखनी है। कोई डाउट हो तो कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट कर देना, मैं सॉल्यूशन बता दूँगी। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं बिना किसी टाइम वेस्ट किए हुए। एक्सरसाइज 1 स्टार्ट। मिस्टर स्पीकर सर, I am really grateful to the members who participated in the debate. Stop. The discussion on the demand of the ministry took place for more than 8 hours. Stop. During the debate, very important issues were raised and suggestions were made. Stop. Though the debate was serious, it was to some extent delightful to. Stop. The issues raised and the suggestions made were many, and as many as 52 members spoke. Stop. Suggestions were made by some members regarding the nationalization of rivers, the subject of water to be kept in the current list of the development, the formation of a national water grid and criteria for deciding whether a river basin is a surplus or a deficit basin. Stop. Some honorable members suggested that there should be a ban for 5 years in the major and medium irrigation projects, and only the potential that has been created should be utilized, and all efforts should be made in that direction. Stop. There were many other things which the honorable members referred to in regard to their towns. Stop. Mostly they referred to the journal issues. Stop. क्या आप पूरे वर्ड्स लिख पाए इस डिक्टेशन में? कमेंट में बताना, तो मैं नेक्स्ट डिक्टेशन उसके अकॉर्डिंग लेके आऊँगी। स्पीड कम या ज़्यादा कर लूँगी।